right, look at here. I'm ready to start stuffing the turkey. This is the pan that I'm going to bake it in. I got it at Publix yesterday. Publix is more expensive store than say Walmart or Kroger's here in Georgia, Lawrenceville area. Um, but they had some good deals yesterday. They had this pan, buy one get one free. So hey, for $6, so it's like $3 a pan. So that'd probably be equivalent to Walmart. Got my turkey bag. I cooked the turkey in a bag, put it in there, and once I get it in there, hey, I don't have to worry about it anymore. I love those turkey bags. Now, here's what I'm going to stuff it with. 2 stalks of celery. I'm going to cut this apple up, onion, bell pepper. I got an orange and a lemon. So look, I got some vegetables and fruit. And I'm telling you, the flavor of the stock, the juices that come off of that turkey is awesome. And I take that and I use that to mix up my dressing. Hopefully, since I'm making a small amount of dressing this time, not a half a pan, that I will have enough juices from the turkey to mix up my dressing. If not, I got some chicken broth to add to it. But this is what I'm going to stuff the turkey with so I can have some flavored juices from that turkey to make my dressing. Ball turkey, it's all thawed. I gave it some extra time so that it would be ready. But hey, when I open it up, if it's not, I still got time because this is Wednesday morning, not Thursday morning. I feel so good. I don't feel stressed. I can just take my time and, enjoy stuffing the turkey, getting it in the oven. The hardest part I have is getting it in the bag, the turkey bag. And you have to flour the bag. And I try to keep the flour at the bottom of the bag and then slide the turkey in there. This is about a 15.5 pound turkey. My daughter picked this up. So that's good for us. Just 4 of us. These are my seasoning for the turkey: black pepper, Lawry seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, iodine salt, sage, poultry season. And it's a good time of the year, baby, to buy fresh seasonings. Sage, poultry is something that maybe we don't use that often, so you got to be conscious of your expiration dates. So even though my daughter's cabinet is all stocked, I decided, to buy fresh seasonings. So, hey, that adds to the budget. See why I exceeded my food budget. But that's okay. That's okay. Hey, I know everything is fresh. I looked at the expiration dates, and so everything will be good for another year, maybe 2 years. So. All right. I've got the fruit, vegetables cut up to stuff the turkey with. So now I'm headed over here to open up the turkey, pull out the neck, the gizzards, and let me get me a pot to put those in. I'm gonna cook them. I don't really like them, but I don't know if I'll chop them up and put them in the gravy or not. I don't know. Gizzard gravy is not something that I like. But I got gravy. I'm gonna make up some turkey gravy. There's the neck, the liver, and the gizzard from the turkey. I've got that cavity all cleaned out. I got the neck of the turkey cleaned out. So, even though this is a butterball turkey, I'm going to melt me some butter and I'm going to just apply it to the skin of the turkey. And then I'm going to season it up with my seasonings here. Black pepper, seasoning salt, onion, garlic powder, sage, poultry season, and salt. Now I'm going to go light on the salt because I got the seasoning salt. But just sprinkle a little salt because there's something about the iodized salt that brings the flavor out. I learned this on YouTube. And then I've got my vegetables and fruits that I'm going to stuff it with. Celery, green bell pepper, onion, orange slices, lemon slices, and apple slices. So I'm telling you, the juice from this turkey is going to be awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I've got the turkey neck, gizzard, liver, heart on cooking. Now this will make up some good stock if I need it for my dressing. So I have seasoned the cavity of the turkey. I put it at the bottom and then I turned it over so it would fall to the breast part. Now I'm melting my butter. I'm going to apply the butter to the skin of the turkey and then I'm going to season the skin of the turkey. And then I'm going to stuff it with vegetables and fruit. All right, I got the skin of the turkey all seasoned up. I applied the butter first, melted butter. Even though it's a butterball, I decided to apply some extra butter. Now I'm going to stuff it with vegetables, celery, green peppers, onion, fruit, apple, oranges, and lemon to give it a good flavor. Woo! The juice is going to be awesome to make dressing with. All right, I got the turkey in the bag. That's the hard part that I have, getting it in the bag. But it's been fun. I'm not stressed. It's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. So the turkey is going in the oven at 6:08. Hey, I feel good. My goal is to have a stressless cooking Thanksgiving dinner. The turkey is in the oven. I need to cook this for about two hours and a half, just to be on the safe side. The time said It's a 15 pound, 16. So they said 2 1/4, 2 hours and 1/4. So I'm gonna go 2.5. Close up this door. All right, and the time now is 6:09. So we're gonna say 8:39 that it should be done. I'm gonna sit down for about 30 minutes. I've been up, moving around for the last couple hours, so I'll rest my legs here and then I get started with my morning duties. I need to clean up this a little bit. I had already cleaned up the kitchen. I better go on and do this because I have to be very careful. No dealing with poultry, you know, you don't want no contamination. So I'm gonna go on and get this cleaned up real quick. Then I'll sit down. Here's the turkey. Yes, we got good. I've sampled it. I took part of the wing, part of the breast. Looks good too, golden.